Hi everyone! Although on this channel, Cozy and Warm, we post mainly origami videos, today's model is a little bit different. It's a fun craft on how to make a jumping toy, a rabbit jumping toy, that especially the kids will love to play with. You can play with it like this. For this we need 2 paper cups, 2 rubber bands, scissors, and double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, any strong glue will do. The origami rabbit that we attach is a model that we have on our channel at the link that you can find on the description below. Alternatively, you can use a rabbit shape that you cut out of paper. A frog will also do. Now let's start. First, we need to tie the 2 rubber bands together. I'm going to put them on the table for a clearer explanation. So the green band is on top of the orange one, and I'm going to bring the green one from underneath through the loop, like this, and we pull. Next, I'm going to make 4 slits in one of the paper cups. One, 2, about 1 centimeter long each of the slits. Then we insert the rubber bands in the 4 slits, like this. Okay, if the rubber band is too loose, you can adjust it by pulling it like this. Now I'm gonna attach the rabbit to the cup. And make sure to attach the rabbit to the cup with the rubber bands, not the other one. For this I need double-sided tape. Okay, it's finished. To play, put the cup with the rubber bands on top of the other one and press and release. It jumps. And you can also have fun decorating the 2 cups or drawing on them. That's it, have fun with it. And if you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like, a share, or subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. And also take a look at the description below this video for links to other origami models or for interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thank you, see you again next time. You can play with it like this.